Hello children, good morning. Welcome to today's English class. Children, in the previous class we all learned the lesson. What is the lesson name? First lesson. Yes. Here, Jumbo of Indian cricket. Anil Kumble. You already learned some sports. Which are those? Kabaddi and cricket. Anil Kumble is a famous bowler. You already learned. In which place Anil Kumble lived? Bangalore, in the Basavanagudi. And this is the main Indian very famous bowler. Okay. And today we will learn first poem. First poem, sports is fun. Now today English class I am going to teach start a new poem. Sports is fun. Before that, let me ask you some pre-reading question, children. Okay, some pre-reading question. Okay, do you know how many doctors? You know how many doctors? Yes, you know so many doctors. Okay, yes. Why do you go to doctors? Why do you go to doctors, children? Yes. When we are sick, we go to doctors. Why do you go to doctors? Yes, when we are sick, we go to doctor, children. Do you know the different types of doctors? When you fall sick, we go to general physician. We go to general physician, isn't it? Suppose if you any eye problem, then whom you go to doctor, children? We go to eye specialist. If any eye problem, if you go to eye specialist, isn't it? Yes. If you have any dental problem, we go to where? Which doctor? Dentist. We go to dentist. So we have different types of doctor for the different types of treatment. Different types of doctors and for give the different types of treatment. Now let us who are the best 6 doctors? Who are the best 6 doctors? Do you know who are the 6 best doctors? Yes. Who are the 6 best doctors? Are our 6 fingers. Also best doctor. Best 6 doctors. In this lesson, the poet compare the best 6 doctors for 6 fingers. What are 6 fingers are our best doctors? Yes, children. Definitely, do you know what are they? First fingers. What are they? 6 fingers. What are those? So first finger says. The first finger says what? The first finger say. What about? Go through your textbook. First finger say. Yes. First finger say. See your sunshine. Sunshine. The first finger say the sunshine. Sunshine. We need sunshine. Sun's days when it fall our body, our skin get vitamin D. When it's sunshine, fall our body, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ sunshine. ಸಂದು ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಕಿರಣ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ? ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಡಿ. The first finger says sunshine. Sunshine fall our body, we get vitamin D. Isn't it? Okay. Yes. So without sunshine, our body cannot function properly. Without sunshine, our body cannot work properly. So second finger say. Second finger says. What about children? second finger says yes. First finger says sunshine and second finger says water. Water. Very important for our body need water. All living things need water. Yes, second finger says water. Our body needs water. Throughout of all the top six substances from our body, third very important for our body need for water. Our food very easily digestive system very easily for help us to the water. Water is very important. So second finger says water. And third finger, the third finger shows air. Third finger shows what about children? Yes, third finger say air. Air is also very important in our surroundings. So very clean air. I breathing clean air, oxygen for help us to throw our body oxygen. Yes, air is very important for our body or all living things. The third finger show the air. We need air to breathe. We need air to breathe. We need oxygen to live to respire. Live to now badukbekandre oxygen is very important. And fourth finger whatever say fourth finger say balanced diet. Fourth finger says balanced diet. Yes, this is also very important. Yes, balanced diet. We cannot eat all types of food. We cannot eat all types of food at all time, isn't it? It is a health is very very cruel. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ದು ಏನೇನು ಬೇಕೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಂತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಅಪ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ we have the specific time to eat food. We have to eat specific time. We have to eat good and fresh food. We have to follow food diet. We have to follow strict diet which has all a quantity, which was our quantity of food. You have to eat quantity of food, that is nutrients, vitamins, minerals, isn't it? You have to eat nutrients, vitamins and minerals, proteins. So we have to eat balanced food. This is the fourth finger says the doctor. We should have these things in our food only then. Okay, is it? Set the diet. You have to eat balanced food. This is the balanced diet. Which finger shows the balanced diet? Fourth finger says the balanced diet. And fifth finger says what about children? Exercise. Fifth finger say exercise. Yes, fifth finger say exercise. What do you mean by exercise? Yes, about exercise. Fifth finger say exercise. Here this is the main important our body. We have to exercise, that our body is very important in our muscles, and relax our body for give it to the exercise. Very important. Will relax, and then the last growth our body, and depending upon exercise. We eat food very balanced food and eat food balanced diet. Okay, and then your food is digest our body. You give for some exercise for the use for the ಬಾಡಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ತಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್, ಗುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ fifth finger. Another last finger. Yes, then the last finger show has rest. Sixth finger. Sixth fingers. Sixth finger say rest. Sixth finger say rest. Rest is also very very important our body. Children, we have all had this, but then to relax, you have to rest. Take a rest at the night. I will tell, early to bed, early to rise. That makes a man healthy. That makes a early to bed, early to rise. ಬೇಗ ಮಲ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಹೆಲ್ತಿಯಾಗಿರಬಹುದು. Health is wealth and wise, isn't it? So we have to give rest our body. We have to sleep early, wake up early. Early in the morning you have to exercise. Early in the morning you have to some exercise or yoga. Okay, yoga is also very very important in our body. You have to keep health and strong. You have to practice yoga and exercise. We have to eat fresh fruit and vegetable. Avoid eating junk food. You have to eating junk food. Avoid junk food. Okay. When you follow all these best 6 doctors, when it is how to follow best 6 doctors, your mind will be very easy to function. These 6 doctors won't charge you any fees. They are real doctor. If give any fees, these are 6 doctors is the real doctor in this poem. Okay, children, now open your textbook, page number 14. Listen to the poem, The Best 6 Doctor. Now let us decided the poem Sports is the fun. I will discuss the poem Sports is fun. Best 6 doctors say these some morals. You have to follow these morals. First finger says sunshine. Second finger says water. Third finger says air. Fourth finger says balanced diet. Fifth finger says exercise. Sixth finger says rest. Okay, you have to follow these 6 doctors. Okay, I will read the lesson. How to listen. Show your finger on the textbook, children. The best 6 doctors. Okay, and action poem. The best 6 doctors. Put up 6 fingers. Put up 6 fingers, and no one can deny it. Shake, nod, head. Or sunshine, water, rest and air. Sunshine, water, air, rest and balanced diet. Exercise and diet. Count using fingers. Yes, count using fingers. Sunshine, water, rest, air, exercise and diet. These are the best 6 doctors in our body. Count using fingers. These 6 will gladly attend you. Put up 6 fingers if only you are willing. Point to children. Your mind they will have. Else. Point to the head. Your will they will mind. Point to self. And change you not silly. Notes the head slowly. These are the best 6 doctors. Once again, you have to remember, children. Next, the teacher asks them if they like the poem. Ask them what action they perform in the order in which they perform them. Ask them why they did this. Ask leading question. Do you think doing exercise in the morning is good? You have to practice the exercise. Morning is very very good, children. Do you also do this in the morning? Do you do breathing exercise? How do you feel after doing them? Do you feel more energetic or dull? Would you like to know more about the sea? How to practice all exercise very easily. How to practice yoga and exercise. Your activities also very good. Okay, let us understand answer orally. Who are the 6 doctors? Tell me, who are the 6 doctors? Our 6 fingers also 6 doctors. What will these do you mind? Yes, some best hobbies your mind. And how much do they charge? If any charges, no charges for do the 6 doctors. Are they real doctors, children? Yes, these are real doctors. Where do you find these doctors? Yes, in our body. Yes. Let's recite. The teacher asks the children if they like to participate in sports, what events they would like to participate in, what are the different sports events they would like to take part in, what different games would they like to take part in, do they like sports activities, ask them if they would like to listen to a poem. Telling them about the different sports and games, ask them to repeat the poem. After you read the poem with proper intonation and modulation. How to read the poem? Page number 14. If 6 doctor you can understand, children? Yes, in our fingers, 6 fingers also 6 good doctors. Listen to the poem, the best 6 doctors. Let us recite. Sports is fun. Repeat after your teacher. You also repeat, children. Sports is fun. Sports is fun for each and everyone. Let's go out and play on this bright sunny day. Should we play and skip or do high jump or long jump? Let's race each other to see who runs faster. Come out and play throw ball and volleyball. Kick the football, basket the basketball, hockey and the cricket. Let's play them all. Oh, look at the pool. Let's swim. It will make us cool, and then we shall go walking to school. Yes, here this is the very fantastic poem. This is one of the fantastic poem. Short is for sports is fun. Yes, sports is fun for each and everyone. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. Each and everyone also very important for the sports. Yes, you like to play race, running race, long jump, high jump. If any sports, you have to like the sports. Is the fun. And then let's go out and play. And let's play out and play. Play. Such a lovely poem. This is the lovely poem, isn't it? Such a lovely poem. Let's go out and play on this bright sunny day. This bright sunny day. And we have to go outside and play. We have play in the bright sunny day. We can play, we can skip, we do high jump or long jump, whatever. You can race also to see who runs faster. Who runs faster? Who is better than others? You can throw volleyball. You can throw basketball, football, hockey, and cricket. There are. It makes swim in the swimming pool or swimming. We have a swimming pool. Many games you have to play, and even we have swimming pool. It makes a swim in the swimming pool. It makes to pool also. You walk to school, children. Okay, you walk to school. It will be very lovely. It will be very lovely. Now, in this poem, introduce rhyming words. Some rhyming words are there here. Yes, here some rhyming words. and read this poem. After read this poem, you write the poem neatly in your notes, children. Okay. After writing the poem, copy down the new words from the textbook. Okay. See here, sports is, I will read once again. Sports is fun for each and everyone. Let's go out and play on the bright sunny day. Should we play and skip or do high jump or long jump? Let's race each other to see who runs faster. Come out and play throw ball and volleyball. Kick the football, basket the basketball. Hockey and cricket, let's play them all. Oh, look at the pool, let's swim. It will make us cool and then we shall go walking to school. Yes, here the poet compare the sports. All sports is also fun with me. So sports is a fun for each and everyone. Sports ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬೇಕು. Let's go out and play on this bright sunny day. ಬ್ರೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಉದಯಿಸಿದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆಟಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡಬೇಕು. ಶುಡ್ ವಿ ಪ್ಲೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಆರ್ ಡೂ ಹೈ ಜಂಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಜಂಪ್. ಇಫ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಜಂಪ್, ಹೈ ಜಂಪ್, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ರೇಸ್ ಈಚ್ ಅದರ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಹೂ ರನ್ಸ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟರ್. ಯಾರು ಫಾಸ್ಟಾಗಿ ಓಡಿದ್ರು, ಯಾರು ಸ್ಲೋ ಓಡಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಗಮನಿಸ್ಬೋದು. Come out and play throw ball and volleyball. Kick the football, basket the basketball, hockey and cricket. Let's play them all. If any, so many games have to play fun. So, for example, kick the balls, football, basketball, basket the basketball, hockey and cricket. So many games you have to give the fun. So this is the fun. You have to relax. In the game, you have to compete the game. You have to relax and very active also. So, funny sports is very important in our life, for essential for childhood days. Okay, and oh, look at the pool. Let's swim. It will make us cool. Look at the swim. So, swimming the swimming pool. So many members have to swim. ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಜೋದು ಬಂದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಿಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಟೀಚರ್ ಹತ್ರನೋ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಗೈಡರ್, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಶೆಲ್ ಗೋ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್, ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್, ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಸವಿತಾ ಬರಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋಂಥದ್ದು ಈ ಪೋಯಮಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಮ್ಮರಿ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೋಯಮ್? ಎಸ್, ಸಮ್ ನ್ಯೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. Bright. What do you mean by bright? Bright means shining, strongly, full of light, full of light. Skip. Skip means jumping, skipping. You can understand. You already you have experience also. So many members you have to experience skipping, skip. Jump over a rope, folding both hands. Over a rope, folding both hands. Volley, it kick the ball before touch the ground. Volleyball means touch the ground. Pool, a small area of still water formed naturally or artificially. Yes, pool means a small of area, still water formed naturally or artificially. This is known as a pool. Okay, you can understand children. In the next class, I will teach some textbook activity. Okay, you can understand children with this poem. Yes. Next class, I will teach textbook activity. Some rhyming words also. Here, set, met, lost, blast, find, mind, day, wet. This is the rhyming words. Okay. In the next class, I will teach some textbook activity. Okay children, bye. Thank you.